புனகம்.
N plus D. Last, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Panadam.
Oh my God. Yeah. Stop. Nil. Stop.
Of
Note it down. Note it down. You have to get me that word.
of means Agu.
Can you repeat?
Agu.
Stop here. Stop here. The policeman will say stop.
Yes, sir. Wait also Agu.
Wait also argue. Stop also argue.
Yes.
Read.
Read. Chadavadam.
Spelling.
CHA. VA. VA.
DA.
VA. TAM. Chadavatam.
Very good. Meet. Sandhi.
Kalavadam. KA. LA. VA. DAM.
Color.
Kalavatam. TAM.
Stand. Nil.
And Nuncho.
Spelling.
NUCHO. Yes.
Sit. Udkar.
Kurcho.
Spelling.
KURCHO. Kucho.
Nucho. Kucho. Kucho. Nucho.
Yes.
Ah. Right. எழுது.
Right. Rayatam.
Spell it out.
RA. YA. TAM.
TAM.
Rayatam. Yes, and that's all.
You have to know exactly this meaning. Bring. What believe. Number.
In Telugu, Nammatam. Nammu. Nammu also is it, sir? Nammu. Sir.
Very good. Play. விளையாடு. விளையாடு.
Play. Aadu.
ஆடு.
Sir. A.
ஆடு.
DU. Yes, sir.
Show. காட்டு.
Chupinchu. CHU. PI. PI. CHU.
చూపించు.
Yes, sir.
చూపించు. చూపించు. Turn. திரும்பு.
In Telugu, Tirigu. THIREGU.
திருகு.
Yes, sir.
கால் கூப்பிடு.
means
கால்
పిలవడం.
ஸ்பெல்லிங்.
PI P P
டி
P P PI LA VA TAM పిలవటం. That's it.
பிளவட்டம். கால் ஜஸ்ட் கால் someone பிளவட்டம்.
Yes, sir.
Call me. Call me. What is that word? Call me. பிளவட்டம்.
Yes, sir.
Call me. How will you say? Call me.
Call me. నన్ను పిలు.
పిలు. Okay. Call
Yes,
him.
sir. పిలు.
Call him.
వాడికి కాల్ చేయి. వాడిని పిలు.
Okay. Call her. Call her.
అమ్మాయిని పిలు.
మే పిలు. 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 Call.
Yes, sir.
Old. பழைய. Old.
ఇన్ తెలుగు పాత.
Spelling.
PATHA
One more time.
PA PP ATHA
How will you say?
పాత.
Pata. Pata.
పాత.
Pata.
Yes, sir.
Pata. Pata. Pata.
Yes.
Big. பெரிய.
పెద్దది.
Can you repeat?
పెద్దది big.
Spelling.
PI
பெத்ததி.
Yes, sir.
ஹை உயரமான.
High.
ஹை உயரமான.
High. పైన.
Can you repeat?
PINA PINA
Okay. TI. Can PINA.
Yes, sir. PINA
What is it called? Paina.
పైన.
Paina. Can you repeat?
పైన.
Paina. Paina. Good. நல்ல. You can also say நன்று.
Good means మంచి.
I like it. Manchi, manchi, manchi. Very good. Manchi. The food is good. The food is good.
Yes.
Manchi, manchi, manchi. சாப்பாடு நல்லா இருக்கு. The food is good. How will you tell ஆகாரம் manchi?
Yes, sir. ఆహారం మంచి.
ஆகாரம் manchi.
మంచి.
Wow. New. புதிய.
New కొత్తది.
Spelling.
KO THA THI THI
Oh, కొత్తది. New. Old is pata.
కొత్తది THI. Yes, sir. కొత్తది.
కొత్తది pata.
Yes, sir. New కొత్తది. Old means పాత.
Pata. Small. சின்ன. சிறிய.
Small చిన్న చిన్నది CHINNA THI. Yes, sir.
We also said
చిన్నది.
சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை. It's a famous song. A.R. Rahman's first song. சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை சிறகடிக்க ஆசை. That one. சின்ன சிறிய.
Sir.
large பெரிய.
పెద్దది large.
Same thing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Young இளமையான.
Young means పెద్ద.
Can you repeat?
PE PP DHA పెద్ద. Yes, sir, that's it. పెద్ద.
Important. முக்கியமான. Important. I keep telling all the time important.
MU K
Can you repeat? MUK?
MUKYA MINA.
Can you read it?
ముఖ్యమైన.
Oh, ముఖ్యమైన. There
Yes, sir.
முக்கியமான தமிழ். முக்கியమైన.
Yes.
Wow, very close. Long. நீளமான.
Long. దూరం.
Yeah, தூரம். We also have தூரம்.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Bad, మోసం. Bad. This is
In
bad.
Telugu also మోసం.
మోసం. Now, when I read this column alone, read it.
Okay, sir. Other, new, good, high, old, great, big, American, small, large, national, young, different, black, long, little, important, political, bad, white, real, best, right, social, only, public, pure, low, early, able, human, local, late, hard, major, better, economic, stock, possible, whole, free, military, true, federal, international, full, special, easy, clear, recent, certain, personal, open, red, difficult, available, likely, short, single, medical, correct, wrong, forgot, private, past, foreign, foreign language, fine, common, poor, natural,
significant,
significant, similar, hot, dead, central, happy, serious, ready, simple, left, physical, general, environmental, financial, blue, democratic, dark, various, entire, close, legal, religious, cold, main, green, nice, hug,
huge,
popular,
huge,
huge, huge, popular, traditional, cultural, final,
final. What is the Telugu word?
final,
முடிவாக, இறுதியாக. The end, they put the end.
end means apatam. No sir, end means chivari,
Complete, finish.
finish means aipawatam.
Spelling.
A